Hi everyone, it's Naya. Welcome back to my channel. If you love luxury, fashion, lifestyle, unboxings, reviews, hauls, and vlogs, hermes, you'll find yourself right at home here. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you can be alerted whenever I upload a new video. Okay, so today's video is going to be my best and worst hermes purchases of 2024. My first best purchase are the oran sandals, and these are in the color dore. I really love this color. It's a very pretty gold. If you want to see my review of the oran sandals, I'll put that on the screen. I've worn these a lot in 2024. I really love these sandals. My next best purchase is the hermesistible lip oil. This is in the color Rose Cola. This color is a perfect neutral. These smell really, really good as well. Each lip oil has a different scent, which I love, and it's so moisturizing on the lips. They're just perfect. My next item is the Twillie perfume. Looks like this. And I loved wearing this all throughout the spring, summer. It just has such a nice, fresh scent. It's a little bit floral as well. It just smells really, really good. I was very happy that I bought this item. So my next items are, of course, my pegase. I love these so much. These bag charms really come in handy. They really decorate your bag. I like to wear mine together on my bag. I'll insert a clip somewhere. And I got the black, and this is the etoupe. My next item is the Mini Moist Twilly ring. I really love the detail, and this is in the palladium. And I just love wearing this with my twillies, like on my neck. You can attach the scarf ring to your twilly and wear it on your waist as a belt. There's so many ways you can wear this twilly ring. The next item is my Evelyn 16 or the Evelyn TPM, and this is in the color etoupe. And you guys might see a little bit of pink here. That's what my insert looks like. You can see whatever insert you put in, you can kind of see the color. My last favorite purchase is the Pikaton 22 with gold hardware. I really, really love this bag. It's a very functional bag. You can use it all the time. It goes with a lot of my wardrobe. It's just a very comfortable bag to carry. Okay, so that's my last best purchase of 2024. Let's move on to my least favorite hermes purchase of 2024. And that would be my Click H bracelet. Very, very popular bracelet. I wore it a few times. I just feel like after I purchased it that there were a lot of other bracelets that would have been more appropriate for me versus the Click H. It is a very beautiful piece though, and this one is in the blanc and rose gold. And surprisingly enough, that's it. This is my last item because I don't have many least favorites or worst favorites from Hermes because I typically buy what I love. So I don't have a long list of regrets or why did I purchase this? Oh, I shouldn't have bought that. No, I do not have any of those. Everything I buy from Hermes, I do love. So that's it. There's no more items. That's my only least favorite purchase of 2024. That's it for my best and worst purchases of 2024. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I appreciate you guys watching my videos. But please make sure you go ahead and click the subscribe button so that I know you guys enjoy my content. Follow me on Instagram as well as TikTok. And yeah, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.